guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and on a previous video I shared that I had received some Happy Mail and a swap, and I had completely forgotten the reason for, I'm just moving a light there, the reason for receiving this Happy Mail from Vicki, who is TryHeart67 here on YouTube, was that she had done a kind of like a secret giveaway on her channel, and I completely forgot. So she selected everyone as a winner, basically, and I thought it was so sweet of her. So these are the items that were in that envelope. I went ahead and opened them, and she's so very generous. Vicki, if you watch this video, thank you so much. I did not expect you to send so much. And yet you did. So she did include some little rhinestones and pearls there, which are so pretty. I don't think I'd ever seen this particular style right here. And even the comment, which I think is so funny, that I had made on her video, she added there. So in any case, the reason why I entered was because, well, number one, I wanted to watch the video, and I like to watch people's videos, you know, completely whenever possible. So I was sitting there listening to it and thinking, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. She made these cards that she showed, and what she did was that she used napkins, and she showed how she had adhered the napkins to cardstock and then dry embossed them, and they came out so beautiful, as you can tell. So she did add this little note here, just thanking me, and I don't know why, but look at how gorgeous. How pretty is that? So I thank you, Vicki, and she did wrap everything in a pretty little pink ribbon with a tag and everything, and even that's made with the napkin, so it goes to show how versatile that is. And I had mentioned to her in the comment that she was asking which one were people's favorites, and I loved all of them, but I did say the ones with the sakura or what is it? Cherry blossom flower, because of little niece in my family whose name is Sayuri, and that does mean cherry blossom, and I thought those are so gorgeous, and she did include more than one, and I just wanted to show you guys because I didn't even get the impact of this until I opened it. Look at how gorgeous that is. These are so beautiful. So of course, if you know anything about altering projects and that sort of thing, then you may know, if maybe you don't, but you can separate these, and she explains how she does it, where she separates the layer and then uses it with adhesive to alter other items, and I just thought that was so pretty in the way she did it. So she did include these and these smaller ones, which are so delicate. So I'm going to just open one of these because I haven't, and look at that. How gorgeous is that? So I thank you so much, Vicki, and she even included the others, which I was not expecting. So thank you, Vicki, because now I'll be able to play around, and it's nice to have a perspective of how other people use things too, because that kind of sparks your creativity, right? And these are just stunning. Look at this one, and I thought these were stamps. I didn't even realize that these had the words, so that must be, yes, what she used on the back of here. So how clever is that? And it just opens my eyes to another use of something that I might not even think of when I see it in a store, but look at how gorgeous. That could create 4 panels for, you know, 4 different cards if you wanted to. So I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with these, Vicki. Thank you so much for your generosity. I truly, truly appreciate it. And you guys, if you don't know Vicki, please go follow her. She is TryHeart67 here on YouTube. I'll link her channel below. And I hope that you guys can be inspired and be blessed and have a beautiful day. Bye.